Hey guys, it's Mike Rumpel coming at you today with a way to save thousands of dollars on a new Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, or Ram. The name of this discount is called Supplier Price. What Supplier Price does is it actually allows you to get the same price that an employee could give to a family member or a friend. This price can be had in a couple of different ways. The first way is maybe your employer offers it. Look into it. If you work for a big employer, chances are you might be able to get a code for free. But if your employer doesn't offer it, or you're not an employee of Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, there's another way to get it. And the way that you get this discount is by going to treadlightly.com. We'll put a link to treadlightly.com at the bottom of this video. A couple of things to make sure that you remember. Number one is you don't get the discount right away. It takes a little while for you to get the code in the mail in order to get the discount. Another thing, in today's market, not all dealers are going to honor this discount. So when calling the dealership, you should ask them, hey, I have a supplier code. Will you guys honor the supplier code? Some dealerships might do it on one model, but not on the next. But I guarantee you, if you call enough dealership, one of them will honor the price, especially maybe even on an ordered car. If they're saying, no, we don't honor it, ask them, hey, what if I ordered one? Would you honor it on an ordered car? Also, don't forget that all the rebates and all the incentives come off of the number as well. Don't just think if a dealership says, hey, we'll sell it to you at supplier price after the rebates and discounts. That's not the same thing as selling it at the supplier price minus the rebates and minus the incentives. Next up, I tell you how to get the supplier price for Ford. So go check it out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.